Hi babes, welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. I can't believe it's the end of the year, but I know you guys are doing your holiday shopping, so I wanted to show some of the best holiday makeup collections that are out right now. These will make the perfect gift for any makeup lover, or of course for yourself if you want. The first collection is the NARS holiday collection. This is definitely one of my favorites. There are so many products in this collection that I love. There's eyeshadow palettes, cheek highlighter palettes, beautiful lip colors, and the best part is the design of the packaging. It has this really cool sparkly metallic edgy design that looks absolutely gorgeous. The Hot TRYST cheek palette is one of my favorite products from the collection. It has 6 different blush highlighter shades that can be used as blush or highlighter, and they look absolutely beautiful on the skin. The collection also has a ton of lip products. This one is one of my favorites. It's the Big Trouble lip gloss. It is the most beautiful, pretty pink color. It looks beautiful on its own or layered on top of other lip products. This collection is full of so many great products. This whole collection is a makeup heaven. If you can get your hands on it, you will love it. Next up are the Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lips. These are the most gorgeous lip colors. They're all I've been wearing lately because they have the best texture and they come in so many different shades. They come in 2 textures, velvet matte or high shine. The matte is one of the best mattes I've worn all year. It's super comfortable on the lips, and also I love the packaging on these. They look ultra luxurious, so they make the perfect present. I have these in 8 different shades because all the colors are so beautiful and they're go-to colors that you'll want to wear all the time. So these are a must try. You can't have the holiday season without a little bit of highlight. The new BUXOM Cosmetics Divine Goddess Luminizing Highlighter Palette makes the best present because it has 3 different shades, so it works with all skin tones. You can mix and match the shades, and it has a really unique gel texture that once you apply it onto your skin, it turns into a powder. So it feels beautiful on, and it gives a very subtle, beautiful highlight. And the packaging, super festive and fun, so it makes the perfect holiday present. Next is the PATRICKSTARRR MAC Holiday Collection. This whole collection is gorgeous, you guys. The packaging could not be any more beautiful. It's so fun and glittery, and the collection has so many products that I love. My fave though is the Baby It's Gold Outside Mineralize Skin Finish Powder. This is a gorgeous bronzer. It has a tiny hint of shimmer to it, and it looks beautiful on the skin. There's also these gorgeous pigments in 3 different shades that are very golden, very metallic. They look so pretty if you layer them on top of shadow, or you can wear them on their own if you wet your brush. And I also love the Dazzle Glass glosses. They're all shimmery nude shades that look so pretty layered on top of lipsticks or even worn on their own. This whole collection is definitely one of my favorites this holiday season, and if I got any of these products as a present, I would be so happy. And last but not least, these are some of my favorite shadows for the holidays. It is the MAC Shiny Pretty Shadows. They come in these beautiful frosty tones. Just Chilling is one of my favorites. They're super pigmented and the color payoff is amazing. The texture is so nice and they look beautiful on. With a little bit of shimmer and a little bit of shine, these are the perfect holiday shadows. I hope this inspired you guys with your holiday shopping, whether it's for someone else or for yourself. One of my favorite things about makeup is that it's just a little treat that you can do that can put a smile on anyone's face. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman. Have fun with your holiday shopping, and I will see you guys in another video very soon.